Hey there, pool owners. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on essential products. Today, we're diving into the FibroPool Professional Flexible Pool Vacuum Head, touted as one of the best pool vacuum attachments on the market. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, this vacuum head is designed for both above-ground and in-ground pools, which makes it incredibly versatile. It features a flexible, thermoplastic body that contours to every curve of your pool, ensuring a thorough clean every time you use it. What sets this apart is its consistent seal, thanks to 6 integrated weights. This means it maintains contact with the pool surface, whether it's concrete, fiberglass, or vinyl, ensuring superior cleaning efficiency without missing a spot. Now, let's talk about durability. The chrome-plated metal handle is not just sturdy but also connects seamlessly with standard extension poles, making it easy to maneuver and control while cleaning. And check out these urethane wheels. They roll smoothly without causing any damage to your pool surface, which is crucial for protecting your investment over time. Whether you're dealing with leaves, dirt, or algae, this vacuum head gets the job done efficiently. It connects easily to standard 1.5-inch vacuum hoses, ensuring compatibility with most pool cleaning systems. To sum it up, the FibroPool Professional Flexible Pool Vacuum Head combines durability, efficiency, and ease of use, making it an essential tool for any pool owner looking to maintain a pristine swimming environment. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.